guys. Oh, sorry if you hear background noise. It's just my family. But look, I finally have to pop it. Let's see. Ooh, that sounds so nice. Different location. Anyways, must be the loud side, though. So let's try the quiet side. This is so good. I love it. Okay, so this is the quiet side. Feels. I love the feel of this. I just love the shape too. Nice hexagon. I love it so much. Like if you love fidgets like me, like if you're obsessed with them. I'm totes obsessed. Oh well, I might be doing fidget videos, okay? Like, mostly because I got this. So, like and subscribe if you like to see fidget videos. And yeah, just wanted to show you guys this. Subscribe!